This year, at Marianopolis, we have designed a revolutionary new robot that is completely useless for everyday life. Its sleek and smooth, hydrogen aluminum, nihonium, helium silicon carbide alloy frame allows it to be brought along anywhere in its full, futile nature. This year's robot is our thinnest yet because, well, it's our first, measuring in at a mere 0.001 kilometers. Over 2,000 slave workers at Marianopolis headquarters in Westmount, coming from over 100 clubs, have been able to design an incredible machine. We use the amazing VEX controller embedded in our most powerful chip yet, the A420. And software is written by our world-renowned programmer. Both the exterior and the interior of the robot were polished using sandpaper and baby oil to give a smooth and finished look. The remarkable design of the MacBot Pro was manufactured using extraordinarily accurate engineering processes, allowing for a beautiful product so you can have the most complete experience ever achieved.
Lorsque nous avons conçu le MacBot Pro, nous voulions qu'il soit polyvalent. C'est la raison pour laquelle la seule et unique utilité du robot, c'est de lancer des bobines de plastique. Dans la compétition de robotique CRC, les robots doivent extraire un maximum de 12 bobines de plastique empilées dans 4 distributeurs. Ensuite, les robots propulsent ou glissent ces bobines vers le terrain de l'équipe adverse. Il est impossible d'aller sur le terrain de l'équipe opposée. Néanmoins, les robots peuvent renvoyer les pièces de jeu se retrouvant sur leur terrain vers le terrain adverse. Dépendamment de la zone dans laquelle les bobines se retrouvent à la fin de chaque partie, différents nombres de points sont accordés. 5, 10, 20, 30, 40 et 100. Il y a également une zone spéciale qui double les points. L'équipe finissant avec le plus de points remporte la victoire. Le MacBot Pro prend des bobines à l'aide d'un mécanisme avant-gardiste et utilise un système de poulies afin de transporter ces bobines vers le propulseur. Ainsi, notre robot est capable de lancer les bobines à des vitesses sans précédent.
The new MacBot Pro has revolutionized the way robots interact with humans. With a simple touch of a button, the robot comes to life. We've designed our robot at the intersection of innovation, creativity, and fashion, and that is why we are introducing revolutionary new colors. The MacBot Pro comes in more than 50 shades of black, such as matte black, jet black, premium dark black, and of course, black. These aesthetically pleasing choices are achieved through cutting-edge technology developed in our laboratories, utilizing a substitution reaction to replace colored molecules with black ones. We care about the environment as much as you do, and that is why we have made our robot PVC-free, TPU-free, headphone jack-free, and best of all, gluten-free. So it is 100% vegan. The elegant design, created with masterful precision, has evolved the way Marianopolis develops technology, creating a singular design allowing for the user experience to be lifted to a whole new level.